morning guys, how are you? Welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. If you are, thank you so much for clicking on. Please subscribe if you haven't because it helps me out so much. I wanted to start this video off with a little unboxing because I got some new things, and instead of making it like its own video, I wanted to just throw it in a quick vlog and yeah, share some things that I got. So we'll start off with Skims. Got a little Skims order. Their stuff is always sold out, so I subscribe to their newsletter or their email or whatever, so I get an email when their things have relaunched or restocked. I got a few new things that I didn't have. These are the Skims cotton leggings, I believe, in the color soot, so I thought just like a black legging would be perfect. And they're like the cotton ones, so they're ribbed. And then I wanted to get the boxers in the color bone, and this is again just her cotton range. So these, I think the first thing that like ever came out, but they're just like the little boxers. They feel incredible. I'm obsessed with wearing this type of thing around the house, to sleep, to lounge. I'm really obsessed with these. I love her stuff, honestly. I'll wear any of it. Then I got the matching tank top because her tank tops are incredible. And in the color bone, just the cotton ribbed. It has the little Skims logo in the back. So it's just like a perfect basic. Feels really nice. So that's everything I got from Skims. Right, and then I got a big box from Revolve. Revolve is one of my favorite places to buy clothes. Oh, I saw this and I knew I needed it. I love Shack Fancy. They're a really cute brand. I follow the owner on Instagram. She's so cute. And they have stores all over, but they make like the sweetest kind of vintagey stuff. So I saw this hat and I thought it was adorable and just really cutesy and fun, you know? Really cute. And they have like this type of pattern in a sweatshirt and sweatpants that I really want to get. But this one's from Finders Keepers. I again thought this was so cute. I was in like a cutesy little mood, you know, with this sweater, and I got this little cardigan. I thought this would look so nice with like jeans. Oh, they gave me a little Australian pink clay exfoliating treatment. Because another brand that I just think is so fun on Revolve, I think it's called by Sammy Ryan. She makes like really fun little sweat outfits and t-shirts and stuff. So I got this one. It has little like Care Bears on it, which is really funny, but I liked the color. Really cute, just lounge around top. I love her stuff. I think this is by her as well. Then I got this sweat set. So I got the sweatshirt that says Chill Baby. And I got the matching shorts. So these are like sweat shorts with just little smiley faces all over it, the same little print. I love sweat sets that are shorts and a sweatshirt. That's like my ideal situation. Oh, and then I thought this was fun. This is a jean jacket by Pistola. I liked the like white and blue. I thought with like a jean on jean type of thing, it could look really cool. Throw a big coat on over it because it's freezing outside, but like I said, I was really going on the cutesy vibe, or I must have been having like a little moment because I got a lot of cutesy stuff. But this is For Love and Lemons. For Love and Lemons is one of my favorite clothing brands. I think they make such stunning pieces. So I got this cardigan. I am obsessed with it. I love the details, like the little rose buttons. I just love it, and it's like that furry, fuzzy material. That's it for my little haul. Now I can put all these clothes away and clean up these boxes. I hate having boxes in my apartment. It like living in New York in a small apartment, when you have boxes, it takes up the whole apartment. Also, my dog is so afraid of boxes. He's so like skittish around things that make noise. I know I was watching Rachel Radke's vlogs. She's one of the YouTubers I like, and she has shown that her dog is so scared around things like boxes and suitcases. And I'm like, same. Brooks is terrified of boxes, suitcases, anything that makes noise in the apartment. But then when we walk around, obviously I live in New York, it's a loud city. When we walk around and things are like making noise and there's sirens, he doesn't even flinch. So he's an anomaly, that one. So yeah, I'm gonna put these away, and then yeah, let's put these away. Also, I've been getting some questions on my earrings. So if you don't know, I have my own jewelry line. It's called Shop Ange, and I will link it down below. But today I am wearing, this is called the Gigi earring. So it's a 2 piercing earring, the hoop, And then this is called the Reese Huggy. So they're my two favorites. I always wear them. And then this one, again, the Reese, this is the Eternity band. It's just a gold band. This is just a diamond earring. And then this is a play on the Gigi that I haven't put on my website yet, but I'm thinking about it because I'm really into it. So that's the tea on my earrings. And basically all the jewelry that I wear is my own, obviously. So I will link my shop down below, but you should check it out. I'm making homemade granola right now, which is my new obsession. I'm like, I cannot get enough of it. And I never was a granola person before, but I got the recipe on the Sunny apps, and now I'm just like adding my own things to it too. But this is all the dry ingredients. And then this is the coconut oil and agave, like the wet ingredients. And you pour this in, mix it around. Wow, it already smells incredible. I'm so obsessed with this. I already made it once this week and we already went through it, so hopefully this one will last longer, but I'm obsessed. I bet these would be really good cookies too, like cranberry, coconut, oat, maybe like white chocolate chips. I bet they'd be really good. Just pulled her out of the oven. Look at this granola. It smells incredible. I gotta let her cool down and then I'm gonna put it in a container, but oh, it smells amazing. All right, we're gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna do 12-3-30, which is Lauren Giraldo's treadmill routine that everybody and their mother and their grandmother is doing, and I love it. It's super nice. I am wearing this top from Misguided. It's like a big t-shirt type thing. And then these leggings are from Fabletics. I like how you say, I know you're gonna get mad, and then you still say, oh, he's pissed at me. Look at him. I can't. He just smelled me up and down, like, where do you think you're going? Oh no. When you work out so hard that you bust your braid. I busted the hair tie. That's how you know it was a good one. So we just ordered dinner, and we ordered from the meatball shop, which is this place in Chelsea. They do like obviously really good meatballs and like pastas and stuff, but I'm feeling so emotional because the first day that I moved to New York City, so it's gonna be 3 years ago. Oh my gosh, wait, yeah. It's gonna be 3 years ago soon, coming up, since I moved to New York City. And the first night that I moved in, and came over and helped me move in, and we ordered the meatball shop, so, because it was right next to where I used to live. So I haven't had it in like a while, but I'm so excited, and it's like a little nostalgia moment. So I just got here, we're gonna eat. This is giving me all the feels. So we got a bowl, and you get pasta, or you could do like mashed potatoes or some type of base, and then you get the meatballs and like a little focaccia bread. And it's super yummy. The meatballs are pretty big, so it fills you up. We're gonna watch Love Island, which is our favorite thing ever. We are obsessed. I cannot get enough of this show.